mixed with some rock and roll, Motown, R&B, and backwoods soul. The bass drum kicks and away we go. Sounds like an angel shining down, a small piece of heaven